Advanced English Vocabulary. Brought to you by Idioms Online. Brazen. Brazen. The word brazen means bold and disrespectful and without shame. Obvious and without any attempt to be hidden. Also, brazen means made of brass, or to make a sound that is harsh and loud like brass being struck. More rarely, brazen is used as a verb meaning to face with defiance, boldness, and impudence. This is usually used in the idiom phrase, brazen it out. You'll just have to brazen it out and tell him how you feel. Note that this is not a common idiom. Examples. There has been a surge of brazen car thefts throughout the city. He brazenly flirted with the man's wife. Recently, there was a brazen online attack that targeted high-profile Twitter users with a Bitcoin scam. Mark has told me a brazen lie, claiming he once climbed Mount Kilimanjaro. I know for a fact he's never even been out of the country. The building was full of ornate brazen statues. The symbol made a brazen sound that assaulted my ears.